Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Welcome to an exciting journey into making your very own protein powder right at home. In this video, I will explain how to do protein powder in home. This easy method gives you complete control over what goes into your body, ensuring a pure and wholesome product. You can save money and tailor the flavors to your exact preferences. We will cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to blending and storing your delicious, homemade creation. Get ready to boost your nutrition with simple, natural components. Now, let's talk about selecting the perfect ingredients for your homemade protein powder. You'll want a good base, like 2 cups of rolled oats or 1 cup of cooked and dried lentils. For healthy fats and extra protein, add about 1/2 cup of nuts or seeds, such as almonds or pumpkin seeds. Don't forget to personalize the taste with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, vanilla, or your favorite spices. Always ensure your ingredients are completely dry for the best results. Once you have your ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a fine powder. Place all your selected items into a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend for approximately 2 minutes or until you achieve a very fine, consistent texture. After blending, let the powder cool down completely before storing it. Transfer your fresh protein powder into an airtight container, and it will stay fresh and potent for up to 3 weeks in a cool, dry place. Now that you have your fantastic homemade protein powder, let's explore how to use it. A great way to start is by adding 1 or 2 scoops to your favorite morning smoothie for an extra protein boost. You can also mix it into yogurt, oatmeal, or even baked goods like muffins and pancakes. Feel free to experiment with different flavor combinations and quantities to find what you love most. Enjoy the incredible nutritional benefits of your custom-made, wholesome protein powder every single day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.